So we all know how powerful Google is, and you basically can write down everything or search for anything you want to find, right? So you don't even have to type it out as crystal clear, but Google is going to pick it up and you can write down anything, you could type out anything, and I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 in an hour. It's a very easy method and you can make money online. So as you can see, I just typed this in right here and I could type in download. I can also type in download everything from Google Drive, and you could see the different methods and the different ways of coming up. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a particular website to get some speed just by typing super fast, and you can start earning money right away. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre and I create brand new videos every single day. I also have created a watch list that you can sit and you can watch all the different Make Money Online videos. So if you come over here, you could see I created a list with free application. There's free PayPal method, and there's also some free Make Money Online. So just binge and just watch everything. Now, as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 in 1 hour with the simple method. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to head on over to this particular website, and this website is called typingtest.com. So typingtest.com, it is free, and it is a website that you can start developing your skills. As you can see right here, typingtest.com, you have typing test, you can do typing chords, you can do tricky keys, type, rush, race, and also the typing game. So I'm going to be testing my typing skills. So I'm going to do a minute just to share with you exactly how fast that I can type, and let's see if I'm qualified. So I'm going to do the medium text. So once you go over here, you could click on the Start Here tab. And once you click on the Start Here tab, what it's going to do, it's going to pull this up. And as soon as you begin typing, this timer right over here, this timer is going to count down. So it is in a normal mode right now, and it's also in pro. So I'm going to show you how you can earn this type of money just by doing this skill. So this is just practice run. So if you have no idea of how to type fast, because the websites that I'm going to share with you, so make sure you stick at the end of the video, you're going to see these websites, and I'm also going to show you a bonus website that you can even make more money. So let's try it out and see if it works. So although this is easy to find, the highest grade version of them is one of the rarest available in the world, but despite that, I can see that I'm making some mistakes, so I am sure I'm not going to get. So I have like about 10 seconds remaining. Expensive goods. All right, so it's going to analyze. So it's going to show my result. So right here, 35. So the average typist is 36. This is 35. I did try it earlier and I clocked in at 45, but that one was easier than this one. So you get the idea, right? You learn some skills. Is it good? Is it bad? You can do all this stuff. Now you want to head over to this website, and this website right here, it is called gotranscript.com. And over at gotranscript.com, you could upload files, you pay online, and you get orders. So this is someone who's coming on this particular website, and they're looking for people who could do like English caption, foreign subtitles, translation, and all that. So if you want to participate in this stuff, right, you can see over here that you can earn anywhere from $72 cents per minute, and you have to get an accuracy of like 90. Well, not really. Let's back up for a little bit. So 72 per minute is what the person who's coming on here, who's going to upload their file and pay for it. Now, you don't have to do any of that because you're not going to pay any money. All you want to do is you want to sign up for their services. So you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom down here. And these are the different companies that this particular company already done work for. They did it for Boss, they've done it for BBC, Netflix, and all that. So if you want to do, if you want to become a part of the transcriptionist, all you have to do is just scroll down to the bottom and down here where it says work. When you click on the work, you'll see that the different ways how you can earn money. So if you want to do audio or video, you can get 60 cents. So the average per month, you're looking at, so the average per month is people who are not putting a lot of time and a lot of work, but the people who are top earners, they're making $1,200 per month. That is good right there. So if you want to make $100 an hour, yes, you could do that. You don't have to work every single day to make a little bit of side income. This is good for if you're a single mom, you're a single parent, you're a student that just got out of school, and you're looking to find a way. So all you have to do is just sign up for it. Just click on the application here, and you want to make sure that you have your phone. They're going to do a face photo during registration, and they also want to do a real time because they want to make sure that they're getting reliable people to actually work. And the good thing, you're going to get paid through PayPal. So on this website, they're going to pay you through PayPal. You could set up flexible work hours. You can also grow your skills, and you can choose what projects you want to work on. So you could turn down projects. If you see something that you don't like, you don't have to sign up for it. So this is how you can consistently do this method, and you can make $100 in an hour just by signing up for this and get to work. Now, the bonus website that I told you, I'm going to share with you how you can even make more money. And you can also be an affiliate, and you could sign up for Go Transcript Affiliate Program. So you could click on here and you could sign up for it. You could put your email address here. You could put a password if you already created one. You can log in with your Facebook, or you can log in with your Google. Once you log in, you go to the dashboard. You could go immediately, get signed up. You could choose whatever industry that you're working, company, name of the company. You don't need to put all that. Country code, and you want to put your phone number. So you can get an account, and it's free and it's easy, and you can promote it to other people who want to do some typing jobs, and they can make a little bit of money. So here's the website that I wanted to share with you. It's called Rev. So rev.com, rev.com. Over here, they pay you a little bit more money than the Go Transcript. And the reason why Rev pay a little bit more is because they do captions, they do transcriptions, and they also do foreign titles. So if you want to do some transcriptions, you're going to get $1.25 per minute. You can convert an audio or you can convert a video. Perfect example, if you want to, let's say you want to convert one of these. You can listen to it, right? And once you listen to it, and then you scroll down, once you listen to it here, you could see the type of audio that you could do, right? You see the different type of audios and how much that they're willing to pay their people, excuse me, and all that. So it is pretty cool that you can make money just by typing and writing things out. And look at this, free iPhone call recorder, because you can even do a voice recorder. They're telling you to download these apps. So you can download these apps and you can talk into them, and it makes life a little bit easier for you. So as always, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you can go onto freelancing right over here, right? You can go onto the career section. You even want to become an affiliate, you could do that as well, right? Caption converter. So if someone wants to upload their files right there, they could just do that. If you want to go and be a freelancer, you could click on the freelance, and you could see that you could create flexible work schedule. You could choose from different hundreds of jobs, and you get paid weekly via PayPal. So if you got a PayPal account, again, you're going to be making money just by doing this. So this website gives you a little bit more leverage, and it gives you a chance to even make way more money. So you can earn money transcribing or captioning from home. So that's a very good, and it's a sweet deal where you can start earning money into your PayPal account and make money over and over again. So again, sign up for Go Transcript and go for rev.com. And then if you want to learn more about what I do, check out the first link in the description. Don't forget to check out the playlist. I'll catch you on the next video. And make sure you go watch this next video right after this. And this video that I'm going to share with you is you can basically make and earn $1,000 just copy and paste. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.